Hi and welcome to section 1. What is plastic and how it is produced? Plastic is a family of polymeric materials which can be easily molded under heat and pressure, hence the property of plasticity. In fact, the term plastic is originated from the Greek word plastikos, which means apt for molding. Other properties of plastics, such as low density, low electricity conductivity, durability, flexibility, and low production cost, allowed its use in many sectors. The first plastic to be synthesized was in New York in 1907 by Leo Birkeland. Since then, material science of plastics has evolved thanks to the contribution of many eminent scientists like Nobel laureate Hermann Staudinger and Hermann Mark. Today, different kinds of plastics are present in our daily life, like polyethylene-based plastics used in packaging products and polyvinyl chloride-based plastics like PVC. Plastics can be either synthetic or bio-based. They are synthetic if they are made based on crude oil, coal, or natural gas. And they are bio-based if they are made of renewable resources such as carbohydrates, vegetable fats and oils, cellulose, and bacteria. Most of plastics are synthetic because it's easier to process crude oil. Making synthetic plastics based on crude oil follows several steps. First, raw material extraction, which is essentially mining of oil, coal, or gas. After that comes the refining process of crude oil, where it is heated at high temperatures. Then it is put in a long distillation unit, where the raw crude is fractionized into different hydrocarbons depending on their molecular weights. Heavy products sink at the bottom, where light ones go up. Crude oil is then transformed into different products like petrol and kerosene. The fraction called naphtha is the key ingredient to make plastic. Naphtha is important for making plastic because it contains ethane and propane, which undergo a process called steam cracking, where they are put under high temperature and pressure in a zero oxygen environment. The results are the monomers ethylene and propylene, which constitute the backbone of plastics. The next step is polymerization, which consists of combining the monomers from long-chain polymers. As a result, ethylene and propylene are transformed into polyethylene and polypropylene, the two most used polymers in plastic fabrication, thanks to their flexibility and resilience. There are other polymers produced using different resources and techniques. In fact, there is a large variety commercialized today in markets. After polymerization comes compounding, which is adding different additives to our plastic polymers to produce plastic with special properties like color and performance. And that's it. The final plastic product is ready to be shaped and molded into a variety of products, from bottled water to PVC piping.